Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to create this purple makeup look. So the first thing that you will notice is that my fake lashes are kind of shiny, but what can we do, right? Not everything is perfect all the time. Anyhow, after prepping my lids with some concealer, I will begin with this pink color. And what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna go ahead and apply it all over the lid of the eye. If you notice, I am using a fluffy brush, and that is just so the color is less intense and I can just blend it out like so. Right after that, with a smaller brush, I will be using this purple shadow, and I will be applying it kind of like a long liner, if you will. And I want to deposit the color first, and then I will go back with that blending brush that I used for the pink color, and then a larger brush just to blend everything out. Then I'm going to go back to a smaller type of brush, and I'm going to go ahead and use this black shadow, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply it right on top of that purple shade. And then I will be blending it out with a smudging brush, and then I will be picking up these two shades, and the reason for that is just to blend out the look even more. Following up with a shade for the brow bone. This one is a vanilla color. And once you remove the guards, look at that. It's so sharp and nice. Now I'm going to prep my face. Now coming back to the eye look, I will be lining my waterline with a black pencil. And now I'm going to go ahead and smoke it out using the same two shades that I used for the look. And I'm going to be blending it out with a clean brush. These are the lashes that I decided to use, and I don't like them, but I use them. I mean, what can I say? I'm going to prep my lashes, and right after that, I'm going to go ahead and put on these super shiny lashes. I wish I could have just used something else, but this is the final look. Hope that you like this video, and like always, I will see you on my next one. Hasta la vista. Mwah. Adios.